How to make money selling printables on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling printables on Etsy. Let's talk about why selling printables is such a powerful side hustle. First, they're incredibly easy to make. Second, once you create a printable, you can sell it over and over again without having to redo the work. And third, just one successful printable can bring in thousands of dollars in revenue. To give you some perspective, there's someone we know who followed this path and now earns over $8,000 a month, all from selling printables. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps she followed to get there. Let's get into it. Let's walk through the exact blueprint to start making money with printables on Etsy. Step 1 is choosing a profitable niche. Niches like weddings, baby showers, planners, and scrapbooking perform very well. You can also target seasonal themes: Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day. These are huge traffic drivers on Etsy. And I've got a few bonus niche ideas I'll be giving away at the end, so make sure to stick around. Step 2 is creating your printable. Most sellers use Canva or Adobe Illustrator to design their products. Let me show you a quick walkthrough of how to get started in Canva. First, head to canva.com and select Custom Size. Switch the dimensions to inches, then set your page size to 8.5 by 11 inches. This is the standard letter size for most printable templates. Next, click on Create New Design. For this quick tutorial, I already found an image I wanted to use just to keep things simple and show you how the process works. So here's the adorable image I bought. It's seriously the cutest. Now, when you're designing, it's helpful to enable margins to make sure everything is lined up properly. Just go to File, then click View Settings, and turn on Show Margins or Show Rulers and Guides. I like to keep margins visible so I know my design stays nicely aligned and print-friendly. Now here's the little elephant I found. It was too cute to pass up. I'm going to add some text to the design. I found a quote yesterday that I liked, so I'm going to use that. I'll delete the placeholder text and type in Dream Big. I'll move the text down to the bottom area and adjust the placement. Now let's give it a nice background. I want to use a watercolor effect, so I'll go to Elements and search for a watercolor background. I've already used one recently, so I'll select that. Now drag it onto the canvas, resize it as needed, and then go to Position and click Back so it goes behind the elephant. And there we go. It's looking great. I might adjust the elephant and text a little just to make sure everything fits well within the margins for framing or printing. Once you're happy with your design, go to Share and then click Download. You'll want to select PDF Print for the best quality if you're creating the final printable. Now let me show you one more thing: how to make a great thumbnail for Etsy. This is really important to grab people's attention when they're browsing. To do that, I'm going to download the current design as a JPEG, then head back to Canva and create a new design. For Etsy thumbnails, the ideal size is 2000 by 1500 pixels, so that's what we'll set it to. So yesterday I came across this really fun idea and wanted to try it out. I searched for kids' room background under the Elements section in Canva and found a great one that fits the style perfectly. Just a heads up, I'm using Canva Pro, so this background is a Pro element. Now that I've chosen my background, I'm going to scale it up a bit so it fills the canvas nicely. After that, I'll go to the Uploads tab and bring in the elephant design that I just created. It's this super cute little illustration I showed you earlier. Once it's uploaded, I'll place it right into the center of the frame to get a nice clean look that's great for showcasing the printable. I'll tweak the positioning a bit to make sure the elephant is framed just right. I want it to sit nicely within the layout so it looks appealing as a thumbnail on Etsy. This is a key part of your product presentation. You want to make it eye-catching and clear. To help shoppers know that this is a printable item, I'm going to add a transparent circle label. So I'll head back to Elements, search for a circle, and then resize it to fit in a corner or side of the image. Once it's placed, I'll adjust the transparency slightly so the label doesn't distract from the main design. Next, I'll go to the Text tab Add a small label inside the circle and write something like instant download. This tells buyers exactly what they're getting. I'll resize the text, change the color to white so it pops against the background, and maybe bold it to make it stand out a little more. You can also experiment with different fonts and layouts to match your brand's aesthetic. This setup right here is exactly how I create eye-catching Etsy thumbnails that help my listings stand out. I love how everything came together. It's simple, cute, and professional. Once your design is complete and you're ready to upload it to your Etsy shop, make sure to download it in PDF format for the actual product listing. The PDF format is best for printables because it preserves high quality, which is what your customers will want for framing or gifting. This whole project is a great example of what you can do with just a bit of creativity and a few tools. And yes, wasn't that elephant printable just the cutest? Now, if you're really serious about getting into the printable business, moving into step 3 of the process. Once you've created your printable, it's time to list it on Etsy. This is where things like keywords become really important. You'll want to optimize your title, tags, and description with search-friendly terms so people can easily find your listing. By identifying what people are searching for, you can tailor your listings to meet those needs. And that's how you turn views into sales while helping people find exactly what they want. That's the power of using the right keywords. You want to make sure your own listings are just as searchable so that potential buyers can easily discover what you're offering and hopefully make a purchase. The amazing thing about getting your product to show up in Etsy's search is that it can lead to consistent, passive sales. If shoppers are already searching for something specific, like bachelorette game printables, and your listing appears looking polished and professional, there's a much higher chance they'll click and buy. Once you publish your first product listing, you can use Etsy's free built-in analytics to see what's working and what's not. Over time, you can tweak your product title, tags, and images to boost your visibility and conversions. It might take a little trial and error in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, you can literally watch the orders roll in while you sleep. That said, one of the biggest secrets to success with printables on Etsy is persistence. It might take a few listings and experiments to see traction, but the sellers who stick with it are the ones who eventually find success. Consistency really does pay off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another opportunity to grow your income from home. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, have an amazing day.